306, second call. Chess number 306 on stage.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am very good to a poem. Is a new day drawn by Meera Krishna. This poem tells the beautiful activities that according to the beginning of the new day. To let's start at the crack of dawn. A new day is born. Oh, sir. Baby dears want little wonders book to each other. This book, but good morning, Slowly the sun started shining, spreading heat and light with all its smile. The gutter and the meteors filled with the trees, shadows. Little wonder jumps in his mother, who will bound. Farmer in the field, busy counting his days, and lazy wonder still out sleep. Dreaming on the fielding, sheep. Dreaming on the fielding, sheep. Thank you for listening my poem.
Just number 706.